No, I wasn't ready.
Oh, idiot.
Okay, opening line, go.
Where are my chacos? Got them. Oh. Hi. Welcome back with Mike and Sam. We haven't been out here in a while, but we're back to living the sweet tea life again. Thanks for joining us. We just drove over about 2 hours from Caryville, Tennessee to Burgess Falls. We're going to kayak today. We're stopping at Cane Hollow. It's a public access site if anybody's wanting to, where you can just drop off, park, and then it's about a 1.5 to 2 mile kayak to the base of Burgess Falls because you cannot access it any other way if you were to hike it. So stay tuned and we're getting ready for our next newest adventure of 2026.
Your line broke?
Yeah, my mom's right there.
Oh man. I'll get you, bobber. Yeah.
Alright.
Here we go, honey. Burgess Falls. Here we come. Yeah. You want to, let's maybe get out here on the other end so that people are coming in, then we'll do up our lines. Well, I don't know. It's just...
You told me to work on my nerves, and I'm just doing me then.
All right. Well, I'll meet you over here then.
Yeah,
enjoy. Yeah, I got your bobber. Check out this spot over here. Get turned around. Get our line set up. Oh, it's warm. There's the launch location. There's nice parking spot, nice beach. A lot of families out having a good time on Sunday. I think I'll have a tea.
I float it to you, but I think it'll sink. It's not.
Don't warm it up.
Oh,
this
yeah.
water's warm.
So sorry. You want me to give it a good tossing?
I can't believe how warm it is. It's like bath water.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely hot.
Here, yeah. You can toss it to me.
Okay, I'm gonna do it from. You ready?
You gonna do it blind?
Yeah, you ready?
Okay.
I'm nervous wreck.
Not bad. Not bad.
That's right. Just over here doing a good old tea tossing.
There we go.
Oh, he's talking to a random stranger taking his.
I think he's guided.
Well, honey, he said he.
Oh man, it's been a minute since I had one of these
It's been a while.
Palmers. A half and half lot. Iced tea lemonade.
That boy fishing and it ain't in the water.
You put your kayak under the falls, it'll fill it up with the cold water. It's very, very fun. But summertime. Yes, ma'am. And that's what our springtime can be. We actually never had that.
He must be a tour guide.
Yeah.
Take back my joke.
Never got high enough.
Here's Dragonfly, I'm a bobber.
He went to Tour Guide University.
I'm pretty biased towards the
That's the
fall,
old
though.
TG.
Photo op, that's perfect.
Oh, worm nugget. Oh, he's floating.
That's what I need to do to you.
The old kayak train.
The old yak train.
The old kayak train.
That is the cry of a red-shouldered hawk.
I ain't gonna lie, because they teach you stuff. Hell, I don't know.
You think that's a VIP service?
That's why I started to like kayak. We got really cool birds out.
Yeah, it has to be.
Oh, yeah, that's VIP treatment all over. Catch that fish.
I don't know. I ain't about a tour guide. So the one flew long time ago when we went zip lining with your folks over in Portugal inside that cave. That was a good tour guide.
Yep.
And then the one that we had, we went whitewater rafting. What? I don't remember the name of the service, but he was a good tour guide too. Oh, I take it back. Tuckaleechee Cave.
The caverns.
Yeah, he was good too. He was funny and educational.
I think that'd be a fun job.
Yeah, I do too. But ooh, that feels good.
Some clouds rolling in.
We reel her in. We'll paddle down some. Hey, it's turtle over here.
I don't see him.
He went back under.
Trying a little whopper flopper action.
You get a hold of that turtle, you're on your own.
Turtle, turtle, turtle.
Take off, man. Well, like,
He's a master of disguise.
he is a master of disguise. He's under the water. There's a lot of people coming at me. What do I do?
What are, oh my god, you're gonna get hit.
Which way do I go?
Huh? You gotta use your bicycle hand signals.
This is why I need to get back to the gym. That right there. It's like I wave at people as too much love. 2 waves at one time. Ain't right.
Oh, like the tandem kayaks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's my handwriting there. Oh, beloved, no.
Uh-oh. It's gonna get tricky in here.
Getting in the rough terrain down here in that naked timberland. No video of me other than picking it out is the one on my side. That's a good story too.
Something about this feels like promising fishing.
I feel like we're beyond the Pride Land. We're not supposed to even be over here. Look out for hyenas. In the water.
In the water.
In the water. The whole experience with this tattoo, loved every minute of it. Loved how we got it. How, you know, that birthday present for you was so sweet. And it was relaxing. 4 hours of my day for 3 days. I got to go and get this tattoo. 4 days, excuse me.
Yeah, completely relax.
Yeah, mind you, I bought that tied off bikini just so I could, and it, something jumped in the water over there.
Oh, let me get a.
Look, you see it?
Where's it at?
It jumped off of there. It's right. It's there. Right. It's moving.
Oh.
It's on control.
Oh, I thought you meant the fish.
No. And so anyway, it was literally the third day.
Yeah.
Third day I was there. And we're working on the portion that goes up to like another region of my back half here.
Uh-huh.
My booty. And I wore a dress so I could lift it up as a sundress, lift it up, and I felt completely vulnerable and exposed because the only thing you can see is that little pink tie here, and I'm untied, so, you know, naked as a jaybird. Tattoo artist, professional, so don't you worry, honey, I'm going to keep that bottom covered. I said, good luck to you, I got a big butt and you're a small dude. Next thing I know, I hear these words in a voice I recognize. Maynard, is that you? And my dad walked in that tattoo parlor that day. And he knew it was me from my back half. I was so embarrassed. I said, oh my gosh. I said, that is my daddy. And my mom, I didn't hear. She's like, yep, that's Vanda. That's it. What? I said, why? Why? He goes,
In a million years.
Yeah. I would have thunk it. My folks. Mom's there getting a tattoo from John. You remember the long haired guy?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I was just like, oh my gosh. He goes, did you know they were coming? I said, had I known they coming, I wouldn't be sitting here with my booty out. So of course I'm like, cover me up, let's take a break. And Dad was like, don't you worry, Maynard, I'll be over there. I didn't know you was getting work like that done. He come over there now, mind you, I'm getting this tattoo. Mom's getting hers, like, go over there with Mom. No, Dad's over there eyeballing me while I'm getting my butt tattooed, having conversation. Just talking it up. Dude's like my best friend, I swear. Both my close for there. It was awesome. Literally got a tattoo with Mom, didn't even know it. Never forget that.
I didn't just buy you a tattoo. I bought you a whole experience, whole memory.
Yeah, every tattoo has been a great experience. I mean,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. Claw of Destiny. We're going to do it. It'll be another story, another experience, a great tale.
Well, you set it up.
We'll even put it on your YouTube channel.
I'll attend. I don't feel good about it, I'll tell you. I feel a little sketchy about it.
A little sweet tea in a mason jar with a little lemon on it.
I'm
For our
honestly,
YouTube channel.
you know, I haven't had the best tattoo experiences, so I've been kind of nervous to get back at it.
No, but there's a difference between getting one at home than going to a professional. I think it'll be a lot of fun. We're living our, remember I told you this is going to be our second 20s and our 40s. I mean, I know I got 2 more years till I'm there, but it's the second half. This is our second half.
Well, technically, we're starting now, because I'm there, baby.
Yeah, you're 4. You hustler, you dating a younger woman.
Mm-hmm. Cradle robber, you.
But yeah, I'll never forget that. I was like, oh my gosh.
That sounds good. I feel like we got, you know, 1 more month of summer to live it up.
Well, do me a favor, will you?
What's that?
While we're living it up,
Yeah.
next time I feel froggy about some gas station pizza, Put me in check.
Oh, shit.
I'm just saying, pizza and donut don't mix. I don't eat like that as it is. I don't know what I was thinking.
We gonna find out if a bear shits in the woods.
Bear shit in the wood, and Amanda might too. You just don't know. Good Lord. We all know Laura does. Now that was a memory. Not to mention, it was already a fond memory just getting Mom out in the water.
Yeah.
Because she doesn't do water. But she did 15 miles of it that day, and she don't probably remember but 2 of them. That was a great day. And she killed me when.
Oh, you see that over there?
Her dead. Oh, I see
Oh,
it.
is that a crane or?
No, that's white.
Swan? It's not a swan. It's too small.
I'm not familiar with the aging of birds.
It's a white bird.
It is a white bird. I'll give you that.
Did you hear that?
Bullfrog?
That's something bigger.
Oh, that's just a gas station pizza. Don't worry about it. I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
We got one last bend and a straightaway left.
You've been saying that for a hot minute.
I don't know if I have. I lose track. Dante's Peak when they're
Going through the water, the acid water, something like
the lava water.
Poor grandma did It's a good movie. Classic.
This is Swamp Thing material, you know. I'm gonna put my paddle in it. Then I keep feeling stuff underneath. A lot of debris. Oh, I hit something big. Get me out of here. It's just kelp, you know? People pay a lot of money for this stuff.
Come get it.
Oh. It's starting to hear the fall in the distance.
Can't stop it. Mean.
Does sound mean.
Angry.
That water, we're probably like a turn and a straight from the fall, and you can feel the temperature difference in the water. It's gotta be 20 degrees colder. Can you see it? Huh?
It's the biggest waterfall I ever saw.
Really? You can see it? Oh my god. I can't wait. I can hear it.
Bram, we're supposed to go together.
Dude, it sounds massive. I can't hear you, honey. The waterfall's pretty loud.
I need to pull my straps out.
Oh,
I should have done it sooner when there wasn't nobody because I kind of, you know, go well with what I don't got.
Go to the right, go to the right, go to the right.
it's got to be right around this corner, yeah? It's like it can't get much louder without seeing it. Is it putting off that breeze? Oh. How far up do you think we can get?
I'll do it today. Very well.
So close. You got on a rock. You going for it? We can pull off if you want. I don't know how you did this. I'm not going anywhere. All right. Hey, you're spinning. I know, we'll just pull off right here. All right, we gotta go save her now. What happened to you? Just pull up right there. Where's your shoes? Oh. Hold on, I'll help you. I'll help you.
Going nowhere. I look like a rope on the cartoon, just wind it up to go nowhere.
Can you paddle up just a little bit more? Or
There's crap under here, you know.
yeah, this place is awesome. Okay.
Take this for a second. Let me just.
Yeah, just set that down. And then we'll get you out here. We'll check out the fall. Beep boop. Okay, it's recording.
There is no rock there. Alright, ladies and gents, I know you saw that leg. Start sending your donations now. Was not a free look. First one's always free. Stop it. Made it. So humble. Oh, got your better shoes. Barely well hunting rock. It's slipping all over the place. It's skipping and down and wind and it's pushing great now. Never get a chance.
Hold on. I had the camera the wrong way. One more take.
Alright.
Just a quick 15 seconds. Okay.
Okay, the Livin is very powerful on the biggest powerful on my picture. Water down the fingering gold. It is just rushing down the wind. This is not a windy day, this is also Waterfall. Recommended very good water skills. I cannot traction and fight the power of the waterfall at the same time. But it's so worth the journey to get a chance to come out here, whether you're kayaking, hiking, it's just glorious. Amazing.
What'd you get, honey? What'd you get? Oh, yeah. A little channel cat?
I think so. I'm gonna need your help though.
Nice. Let's get him.
I expected another bluegill.
Let me get around. Put him on my left side there.
I didn't expect another bluegill. I'm tickled pink right now. I just had a feeling there was gonna be fish over by the trees.
There. Show him up there. Look at that. All right, let's get him off. Yeah.
You want me to let you some line? There you go. Not too much?
Oh, you're fine. Oh man, I have a hell of a catfish in a minute.
Oh, please don't be that guy. That's pretty crazy.
No, I'm pretty good poke.
Yeah, well, those people's coming. There you go. Nice job. Manhandle that sucker. I can't believe I got a catfish. And I hooked it just
You
right.
hooked them perfect.
That's 2 perfect hooks on my part. I'm so proud of me. I'm just glad I got him in before we got through this mess again. I won't cast again until... Sorry.
How are y'all?
Good.
Catch anything yet?
That catfish right there. That's you gotta help me out.
Trying to get that hook in.
My wife catches those and hates them. So slimy and
Yeah, he is too.
I had a bluegill earlier. I can deal with that.
there's a lot of bluegill up in this corner.
I just expected to be
There he
another
goes.
bluegill. And look at that. Nice job.
Alright.
Take
Hey,
it.
a couple more, you'll have a catfish dinner.
All right. Have a good.
There you go, hon.
Great day.
You too. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna wait to cast that.
Oh, he is salami. Yeah.
He's got no bag hanging out. Almost knocked him down in the water.
Oh, shoot.
I'm not.
Put your safety device on. Come here.
I'm trying to do it. I can't.
Come over here. Here.
I twisted. Hold on. My hook is in the water.
Yep. Don't want to hook you. That would be bad.
I can't get this on.
Come over here so I can help you.
This is your fault, asshole. Next time you feel for yourself.
Feel what, man?
How deep the water is?
I didn't know you were gonna do it like
I
that.
did. That's how you do it.
You do it. You don't let the current.
Well, Mike, I didn't try to.
It was like you were trying to push it down and like hold yourself in one position. You have to float with the current. You gonna learn how to get back in?
I'm gonna have to. Boobs are out. Because my top's not on properly.
We gotta keep this PG.
Where's... Hold on.
Hold on, we gotta get out their way. Okay.
It's not funny. Take this.
Okay.
I don't even know how to get in.
Wait, whoa, hold on. No, not that way. Stop. The other side.
The other side? Okay.
I can hold this side like a barge.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, my top is down.
Fix your top.
That boy laughed at me.
I've seen this on YouTube now. Hold on.
Put this in that hook over there. Mike, I'm more afraid that there's a big giant monster fish in here than anything.
No, we can
Okay.
do this 2 ways.
Just take this and just let me climb in.
Hey,
Climb in.
we can do this 2 ways. We can either get you to the shore real quick, and you can jump in that way.
No, oh, no, I need in now. No, my hair's stuck in the water.
Honey,
I don't want to be in with this. I can't get in.
well then let's get you to the shore. Swim it to the shore. There you go. You got it. Right to those rocks. You're just probably feeling the bottom. It's not very deep right here.
No, it's not in.
It's not very deep.
I know the difference. Woo.
Get to the rocks right there. You got it. Can you swim backwards?
No.
Yep.
Is there a log over there?
Right there. I don't know. Just get to them rocks.
I don't know if I lost anything.
No, you didn't lose anything. How much?
Oh,
There you go. Get
I
to the
think I
rocks.
did more of an abandoned ship
Yeah.
to not lose anything.
No, I kept track of everything. You're all right. Got your glasses.
I don't think my life vest fits properly.
Well, you just probably gotta adjust the straps. That's all. There you go. Get up on them rocks. See them rocks right there? There you
Oh my
go.
god.
You got it.
Oh. Ah!
It's just rocks. They're just rocks.
I'm scared.
Man overboard.
I got scared. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. I got scared of that branch.
I know. It
scares me when you can't see.
Oh, you didn't have your shoes on either.
I got no shoes on.
That's why you were feeling with your feet.
No. Oh my gosh. I gotta take this in.
Okay. Hey, high five.
High five.
It's
Glad you're having a good time. 'Cause I lost my top.
Well, you didn't have your straps on.
I know!
Golly.
So, what we learned from this.
Yeah. We need to practice. We need to get you
I'm gonna pee.
in the lake so you can practice getting in.
I will say,
Without
I think I could have tipped worse, but I saved it.
You did. Yeah, you did a good job.
I gave you my phone, right?
I got your phone. I got everything. We got the worms. We got pliers, your shoes. You didn't lose anything.
I did good.
You did good.
I just panicked because
Gotta
it's
be
big,
proud.
Big water. Big water.
I think you panicked because you felt something with your tootsies.
You would have.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay, you ready?
I gotta make sure if you fall again, I got.
Oh no. I'm never doing that again. I hurt my toe. Okay, you ready?
All right, yeah.
You ready for me? Ooh, you're not ready for me.
Pull me closer to you so we're stable. Like a barge. There we go. Like a barge.
Why those people have to hear me get scared of that branch?
I don't know. They look concerned.
I panicked because you can't see it, and I knew it was, I was trying to feel for the tree, and then the limbs, and obviously the snake and fish and Nessie, turtle, and I scary.
You were the first one to tip the kayak.
Not an official tip, it was an abandoned ship tip.
Yeah, it's like
it was a partial tip.
You abandoned it to save it.
Yeah, I did. Scared me. Not gonna lie. It's not that I'm afraid to tip this. I'm afraid of in the water that I can't see it.
The adventure's never stopped until we hit the parking lot.
My heart is racing.
Come on, we gotta get home.
Get that phone back. Or you pull me out of the water and it's just my phone.
I just can't believe you. I don't even know what you were doing. You were just.
I was just trying to get back in.
It seemed like you were just like you're like no, it's deep. Okay, let me just jump off.
No, the current from the paddler, it just kind of took me, so it almost felt like something literally pulled me in.
Yeah, and then you felt it tipping, and then you're like, I can't let it everything flip out. I try to jump.
I abandoned ship.
Abandoned ship.
So I say partial tipping.
Yeah.
But
it was. I mean, overall, it's a success. You saved everything.
I know. Awesome.
You didn't lose any toes underwater.
I thought I was going to. There was definitely fish.
Bonus.
The tree branch. Now you can tell the difference between me yelling out in real fear and me just being a little nervous. If we learned anything today,
what did we learn?
you should know what real fear sounds like coming from me. So when you hear that, you should.
Hey, at least the water warmed up now. Did you feel a difference?
God, kick your ass.
I guess it's recording now, but like when you went over, I wasn't recording. And I'm like, we thought we had finally got done with, you know, the highest point of the adventure, and here you go, like.
Never a dull moment with this girl.
And
the thing is, it's like, I'm never afraid to like really get hurt, but I am afraid to get eaten.
What was gonna eat you down there? I don't understand.
Something was messing with my toes.
Are you sure you felt something, or the rocks just moving?
No, there was no rock, Mike. There was no feeling bottom. It was all water.
So you felt
Water.
catfish?
Yep, catfish. Catfish, bass, bluegill. Everything but halibut.
What the? Why would halibut be out here?
Precisely my point. I said everything but halibut. I don't want to fish no more.
I don't know if we're gonna make it back. At this rate.
That's why we're getting focused. As Donna says, F off because you're stupid. Cracking up, that was hateful. Funny though. Okay.
You know what I mean? We ain't even recorded the way back, and you're over here flipping kayaks.
Starbird's a jaybird.
I know.
Alright, let's go. Alright, this whole time I tried to think it was my seat, but I forgot. I got this knot that's been killing me in my back.
I got a knot in my back too.
No, I had a literal knot on the thing.
Oh. we go. I'd laugh my butt off, dude, and you come to work with 9 toes.
9 toes, right? I tried to stand on that one branch, mother lover broke.
What happened to you? Halibut.
Halibut.
Halibut got me.
Turtle.
Ain't no halibut.
Precisely my point. Turtle. That dang river turtle.
I did go over a turtle back there.
People really look scared. That tree thing, all the branches scared the shit out of me, dude.
That little, that older family, I guess, and that John boat that passed us.
Oh.
The old man in there, when you screamed when we were getting up next to the bank,
Oh.
he looked very concerned.
That's
Like he was about to,
when you said that, I'm like, sorry, tree branches.
like he was about to yell at me to stop laughing at you. Sometimes when I'm watching you freak out, all I can do is laugh. I try to help. All I can do is laugh.
Well, because in my head, I'm even saying to you, it's just a tree, it's just a tree. But it's still scared the shit out of me because I can't see it.
Yeah.
I'm like trying to convince myself I'm okay.
Like, you're fine, but you're not feeling what I'm feeling.
You know, turtle, tree branches. Lord almighty. Little boy laughed at me. Throw him in the water.
Yeah.
Hey, don't force around now.
You want to try it again? Yeah, so I was gonna like barge up the kayaks, you know, to stable it so you can pull yourself over the other side, but
You're taking too long to explain.
I know, and every time I tried to coach you through it, I couldn't stop myself from laughing. And then you tried pulling yourself up on the wrong side. And I'm like, you gotta get to the other side. What are you doing?
And I almost got hooked.
But then when you hit an audience, I don't think that helped.
As soon as you said 400, I went, okay, I can see that. Say no more.
Yeah, that made it easiest. Just go to the bank.
You didn't even finish your sentence. I grabbed my kayak.
I know.
Ah!
I was trying to get my paddle out to help you get over there.
I'm gone. You want it out of the water or in the boat? Anaconda.
I wasn't a whole lot of help, but a motivational speaker. You got a little bit of adrenaline today between that and the waterfall, and
I'm gonna go to the cardiologist and go, so how's it been? Well, it's doing all right. I know what? Had a couple episodes.
Well, what happened?
Well, I've seen the movie Anaconda and I thought I'd been had. That's sad.
Yeah. Well, you survived, love.
I'm a survivor. This water ain't gonna bring me down.
There is parts of this water that feels like it's got that swamp eerie feel to it.
Okay, so thank you. Thank you. Quit acting like you give us a tough guy.
No, I give it to you. There's parts of it that's got Anaconda written all over it.
I wouldn't even know.
Oh yeah, these are the oldest mountains.
This is what he said. They'll humble you up real quick.